Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll showcase several advanced mesh repair cases using the Mesh Healer tool. We'll demonstrate how to address different issues without using the rebuild model feature, focusing on components, filling holes, fixing degeneracies, and resolving self-intersections. Let's get started. First, let's tackle a common issue with imported mesh models: flipped normals. Here's our dragon model with its normals flipped. If we try to repair it as is, you'll see that the repair algorithms don't work effectively. To fix this, we need to flip the normals first. You can either select specific components in the scene to flip or flip all the model triangles. Now, let's launch Mesh Healer again. As you can see, Mesh Healer successfully fixed the model issues. Next, let's move on to our ring model. When we run Mesh Healer on this ring, we notice several issues, including 5 large components. Let's inspect the model closer using the section tool. We see that some of the gems have an additional layer inside to print them hollow. If you try to repair them using Mesh Healer, they'll remain because they don't intersect with other components. However, if you don't want to print your model hollow and prefer to remove these components, you can adjust the minimum area detection percentage for small components in the settings. Now, when you press Repair Selected, the small components are deleted. However, we still have 5 degeneracies left, and Mesh Healer suggests using the rebuild method. Degenerate triangles in 3D models can cause print failures or structural weaknesses. To fix this, use the Mesh Healer selection tool to select the degeneracies, expand the selection a bit, and delete them. After deleting the degeneracies, use Mesh Healer to close the holes. If any degeneracies remain, repeat the process until the model is completely fixed. Lastly, let's address filling holes in our dental model. With default settings, Mesh Healer identifies the holes as large and doesn't fill them because large holes might be intentional features of the object. In my case, I want these 2 holes to be fixed using Mesh Healer. I'll go to the fill hole settings, change the minimum perimeter setting, and press apply. You can also set a different metric for filling the holes. Once done, click Repair Selected, and the holes are filled. And there you have it. We've demonstrated how to handle various mesh repair cases using Mesh Healer without the rebuild model feature. By flipping normals, managing components, fixing degeneracies, and filling holes, we can effectively repair complex models. If you have any questions, please explore our help section or reach out to our support team at support@meshinspector.com. Happy repairing!